Welcome back everyone. Today we will learn how to apply always on display in any Android devices. This new feature certainly impresses people because only new phones have this feature. What this does is it allows your device to continue on showing information while the phone is asleep. Don't worry though, this feature does not consume a lot of your phone's battery life and it absolutely does not cause AMOLED burn, which is pretty terrifying. So don't worry about using this feature. Anyway, to apply always on display in any Android devices, all you have to do is go to your phone settings, and after that I want you to scroll down and look for lock screen. Within the lock screen option, you will see the always on display feature. If always on display feature cannot be seen on the lock screen settings, then go to your display settings. If you still cannot see the always on display feature, unfortunately, it may not be supported on your device. Anyway, if you can see the always on display feature, all we have to do is enable always on display. Now, as we can see, if we go to the always on display settings, we still have to tap the screen for it to show. We don't want that. So let us select show always. So always on display will always be active. You can always change it whenever you want. You can also change the clock style, the music information while playing music. You can also limit the information you want to show. Just disable that option. But that does not end there. You can also customize your always on display feature. All you have to do is, if your always on display has graffiti, tap that. And there you can type a word to display on your phone while it is turned off. After all that, just hit apply and you are good to go. And now you know how to apply always on display in any Android devices. As always, if you would like more videos like this one, please consider liking, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell so you can be updated on our new contents. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment on the comment section and we'll see what we can do. Thank you for watching.